Time for a crypto market update, March 3rd, 2026. If you find this video helpful, give me a number 5 in the comments, share this with a friend, bookmark it for later. Be throwing a lot of data at you here, so hang in there, get comfortable, and enjoy the ride. So interesting observation on a day where the Strait of Hormuz and your neighbor becoming a geopolitical oil expert and the stock market struggling, there's a couple of interesting observations. First off, the IGV, the BlackRock ETF for software, or the expanded tech sector, it was up today. And on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, you might have also noticed that Bitcoin's making higher lows and higher highs, even while stocks and even gold are struggling. That's a very bullish sign, considering that we have one of the largest military conflicts that the United States has been involved in many, many years. It also shows you the correlation between the software sector of the stock market and Bitcoin. We also have the VIX touching 30 today, the volatility index for the S&P 500. When the VIX goes up, risk on assets typically go down. However, like we stated already, Bitcoin is making higher lows despite the VIX pumping. Possibly the most encouraging chart of the day, this is the Bitcoin gold chart. Obviously, gold's been on a historic rampage the last few months. And today, Bitcoin, that daily candle above the 10-day moving average, breaking out against gold's performance. As we've documented, gold, when it pumps, typically Bitcoin languishes behind. When gold dumps, there's typically a significant capital rotation from gold to Bitcoin. We could be seeing the beginning or the after effects of a blow off top in gold, and now the distribution effects of gold starting to move into the risk on asset that is Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin's not crashing while you have missiles flying over various countries, then that's a very strong sign of strength. You also have President Trump pausing from his war duties to talk to the banks and the crypto industry in a Truth Social post, basically telling the banks, hey, you need to make a deal with the crypto industry and not undermine the Genius Act or the Clarity Act. It's good to see the president advocating for potentially one of the largest, if not the largest, legislative tailwind the entire crypto industry is hungry for. And while this isn't money printing, he did do an interesting thing today. He said that he's ordered the United States Development Finance Corporation